Teri Rice's scrapbooking, scrapbooking, scrapbooking. Teri Rice's scrapbooking day and night. And now, for that scrapbooker extraordinaire, Teri, build me a bridge, Rice!
Let's hear it from my MC. Well, today I'm using Through the Seasons kit, and I'm going to be scrapbooking my second grand and her dad and his fiance, and they are still, this is the same day as the other one. This will be a companion page to go with the other one that I did, was that yesterday? I think so. Okay, so again, I have two verticals and a horizontal, which is normally really difficult for me, but I really like doing that whole angle thing, and I'm gonna do it again today. I've got the Bow Bunny paper and also this P13 paper that I had put in the kit. And I'm taking this paper here and I'm gonna set this beautiful floral to one side, and I'm gonna make it so it looks like the same distance as around well, three sides. And I better use this. And well, first I'm gonna shoot for where I think I need to be, and then I guess I'll use the ruler. I think I need to be down here actually more. Okay, that should do it there. Let's see. I think I'm gonna come over to it so I'm like an inch from the edge. Okay. And then I'm gonna do similarly with this paper to the other side. You know, I just want to do the block and a block and a block, but I'm gonna still do a block, but I'm gonna mix it up a little. And oh, I always have a hard time figuring out where my inch is at when I think I'm gonna do this. Yeah, that will work. And I think probably roughly right around here should be good. Okay, that looks straight to me. And now I moved it. Okay, yeah. I need to bring it to that one side. Okay. And I've already matted them. And I'm gonna do that same thing where I put, now this, there's like nothing behind them here. Here they got a window behind them, and here they got a palm tree behind them. It's so funny because Tegan, when she was little, her hair was so wild and curly, and now it's like it's been straight ever since she got it cut for the first time, I think. And now it's like, okay, she's there in the humidity, she's got curly hair again. It's just so funny to see it, because hers was like wildly curly, and her mom's was wildly curly too when she was little. And I think that's probably, well, actually I'm going to move this one up a little bit for my design. Okay, so I'm thinking that's probably about right. Now I'm going to see if how much space I have here. It's about 3 inches. And how much here? It's about 2.5. So I think I'm going to slide this over a little bit more. So I've kind of got the same on each side. Okay. So we're at, this looks like it's the same from here. Okay, it's a little under 2 inches. And I don't, maybe just because this is so busy. I feel like if I go over there anymore, it's not gonna look right. So I'm gonna leave it here. Okay, and I think I'm gonna start with this one. And I'm going to place it there and then just double check to make sure it's straight. I'm going to straighten it out a little bit. I know my head is probably right smack in the way. Okay. Okay, that looks close to straight. Okay, that's good there. And I should be able to just put this right next to this and it should be good. I'm gonna let just a hair of color pop through those edges. Okay. And then I have one of the beautiful chipboard pink hydrangeas off the chipboard sheet that or off the chipboard, I don't know even what you call it. It's not a sheet because the whole thing is chipboard. Where it's like, I need to use those for dimensionals. Okay, and I'm gonna put this here, and I know it's not gonna stick, so I guess I can lay it down, because I'm gonna add these extra leaves here and here. I just like more leaves, because my hydrangea's got lots of leaves. Actually, all it has is leaves right now. Last year I think the year before, or maybe it was last year, it only grew flowers on half of it. So I ended up having to give it some holly feed, I think is what my sister said to put on it. So hopefully that works. Okay. And we have holly bushes next to it, so everybody got fed this year. Okay, so I've got that there. And then over here, I've got this group of hydrangeas, and I'm gonna put them, how did I decide I was gonna put them? I think kind of curved around the edge there. I've had it every way over here, so I have to look at it. It's like, because I did have it up here like this once, but I think I want it kind of curved around the picture just slightly. And then I have memories, and I don't think these are stickers. These are from, but I'm gonna see. I'll tear off the back to see. It's my first time using them. It's from 49 in Market, and which set is this? It's the Moonlit Garden, and they're non-adhesive. Okay, that answers my question. No longer have to guess on these ones. They're non-adhesive. Okay, so I am gluing them down. Okay, and I'm gonna put them where they're just overlapping the flowers and overlapping the picture. And it says memories. And then above that, I'm gonna put captured, so I'll say captured memories. and they were on vacation, and they did get back in time to see the eclipse too. Okay, now I need my dimensionals again. And this next thing I'm using, so let's see, I've used things from the Bow Bunny collection, P13, 49 in Market, and this is from the Shabby book of Mintay. And I was just thought, is there any butterflies in there? And I just, because I had it out the other day, because I was using something out of there. And I thought, yes, I think there's some butterflies in there. I think this is the last one. I need to cut more out. I've almost used that whole thing. Okay. So again, whenever you do this, you want to stick the body down first, because otherwise, once the foam hits it, it'll just flatten right out. Okay. I love how that looks. And then also from the 49 in Market, I have this little, it's like a book plate, I think is what they call them. And I'm gonna put that just below the picture of the 3 of them. Just thought it adds a little interest. I just think I think it's simply beautiful. Now let's see, I did not pull out any enamel dots ahead of time. And what color would I put on there? There's just a little bit of this yellow, but I don't think I have that color. Nope. Maybe a little bit more green would be nice. I think I'm gonna use that green. This one that looks like water drops. I love that. Okay, so since I'm working in a diagonal here, I'll be adding one there, one here, and maybe a small one over here. Or where do I want the small one? Okay, I think that's nice. Maybe a bigger one here, and here. Okay, I think that's it. I love this. So I think the last 2 pages I've done with this kit look very simplified, but I love how they turned out. I mean, the paper does a lot of work. So I'll have close-ups at the end. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.